Giovanni Spitali. I work for Milacron. We are a manufacturer of plastics processing equipment. We have a global presence. We are in practically every continent in the world, and I am responsible for our machinery group, customer service and support. I think the foundation of anything AI or any synonymous term that you may use, the foundation for that is an IoT solution and enough data upon which to apply it. Machines are kind of useless without enough information. So what we found with our work with ei3 is the solid foundation of IoT and the accumulation of big data, and then the practical delivery of AI in concert with our engineering team is a really great solution. And I appreciate the work that ei3 has done with the application of AI to deliver real results to us and our customers. Well, now that we've proven that there is a pot of gold at the end of this rainbow, and we're going to continue to hunt it.